arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome to our video on understanding the intricacies of consumer arbitration. Today we will delve into an important element known as the Consumer Arbitration Demand Form. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. Now let's familiarize ourselves with what consumer arbitration actually is. It's a form of dispute resolution that involves an independent third party who resolves disputes between consumers and companies. It provides an alternative to traditional court litigation, which is often costly and time-consuming. In the United States, almost 42% of the population have participated in some form of alternative dispute resolution. Among them, arbitration is a popular choice due to its efficiency, affordability, and relative simplicity. So let's get to the main topic of this video, the Consumer Arbitration Demand Form. A Consumer Arbitration Demand Form is a legal document that a consumer submits to initiate the arbitration process. In other words, it's a switch that sets the arbitration process in motion. The form contains all the necessary information about the consumer, the company in question, and a description of the dispute. It's important to fill out the form accurately and in detail, as this information is essential for the arbitrator to understand the dispute and make an informed decision. It is also the consumer's chance to lay out their case, express their grievances, and ask for the resolution they want. According to recent statistics, nearly 60% of the consumer disputes filed for arbitration get resolved even before the arbitrator is appointed. This shows the importance of a properly filled Consumer Arbitration Demand Form. But how does one get this form? It's simple. You can download one on our association's website, arbitrationagreements.org. Once you've filled out the form, it needs to be sent to our organization, along with any relevant supporting documents and necessary fees. Remember, this form is your opportunity to explain your side of the story, so make it count. To learn more about arbitration, please visit our website. Again, that's arbitrationagreements.org. It's where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. Also, what do you think about the concept of a Consumer Arbitration Demand Form? Does it seem simple or complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you save time and money.